Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get orbs on Discord using quests. To start earning orbs, you first need to accept a quest that offers orbs as a reward. This works on both the Discord desktop app and the browser version. When you're eligible for a quest, you may see the quest bar appear in the bottom left corner of the Discord app. Hover over it to see the quest details and click it to get started. You can also find quests by clicking the Discover tab, then selecting Quests to open Quest Home. This shows all available quests you can participate in. Once you've accepted a quest, follow the instructions shown on the screen. Each quest has specific tasks you need to complete, such as using certain Discord features or interacting with content. After you complete the quest, make sure to claim your reward. Discord will prompt you to collect your orbs once the quest requirements are finished. To check how many orbs you have, go back to Quest Home or open the Discord shop. Your orbs balance will be displayed in the top right corner. And that's how you get orbs on Discord by completing quests. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.